Hello and welcome to the Search of Vernacular Architecture of Asia, Part 2. In this course, we will explore the more complex issues in vernacular architecture. A key question we will try to answer is how do we deal with the challenges and threats to vernacular architecture and make sure that it is sustained in this modern urbanized world. In the first 3 episodes, we will look at the what and where and begin to raise the questions of why and how. For example, in episode 1, we will search for the deeper socio-cultural meaning of rural architecture. We will explore the process of building. Why do people make the building decision the way they do when constructing the built environments? Are these decisions made in a self-conscious or unself-conscious manner? In episode 2, we will look at the challenges of people migrating from villages to live in cities. How do villages adjust the way of living to effectively respond to the functional, social, and environmental constraints? How do Asian cities respond to the changes in the lifestyle and habitats brought about by the westernization and colonization of the 17th to the 20th centuries? Taking the topic of urban vernacular a step further, episode 3 looks at what we call informal settlements, or as some people would call them, illegal settlements or squatter areas in Asian cities. What common characteristics of building do these particular communities share? What lessons can we draw from them in terms of sustainable living? In the final 2 episodes, we will focus on the how and try to explore answers to a few questions that are very relevant to the current status and future development of vernacular architecture, such as how can we conserve and sustain our vernacular cultural heritage? How can we reconcile tradition and modernity? We will also cast our eyes into the future and discuss how the field of vernacular architecture might evolve and develop in the years to come. Ultimately, the goal of Part 2 is to help you to establish your own viewpoints about the more complex or even contradictory issues in vernacular architecture so that you can make informed decisions regarding the protection and conservation of your local vernacular environments. So please join us.